we'll guide you through how to archive OneNote notebooks. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, press the Windows Start button on your computer taskbar and typing OneNote into the search box. Open the OneNote application from the search results and sign in to your Microsoft account if you are prompted to do so. Allow all of your notebooks to finish syncing before continuing to ensure that every recent change has been uploaded successfully. Open the notebook that you want to archive and review its contents carefully to confirm that all recent edits, pages, and sections have been saved correctly. Once you are satisfied that the notebook is fully up to date, click the File tab located in the upper left corner of the OneNote window. From the menu displayed on the left side, select Export to open the export options. Under the Export Current section, choose Notebook as the item you want to export. Next, select your preferred export format, such as OneNote Package 1.0, which stores the entire notebook in a single archive file that can be restored or shared later if necessary. After selecting the format, click the Export button to continue. A file browser window will appear, allowing you to choose where the archived notebook will be saved. Browse to the folder where you want to keep the archive, making sure it is a location that is easy to remember and suitable for long-term storage. Enter a descriptive name for the archive file so you can easily identify it in the future. Once the file name has been entered, click Save to begin exporting the notebook. After the export finishes, open the destination folder using File Explorer and verify that the archive file has been created successfully. Confirm that the file appears with the expected name and extension before closing the folder. Finally, move or copy the archived notebook to a safe storage location to ensure it remains available for future reference whenever you need.